Kern County continuing to tackle the fentanyl crisis. Tonight, we check out the progress of a local task force working to take the drug off the streets. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rochelle Murcia.
And I'm Michael Patterson. As fentanyl overdoses continue to plague Kern County, money from the state was used to create a task force to help combat the crisis.
Micah Thomas joins us now with an update on the progress being made. Micah?
That's right, Michael. Rochelle. Now, last year, a bill was passed that would allocate millions of dollars to Kern County for fentanyl misuse. And on Tuesday, the task force gave us an update on their progress in the community so far. During Tuesday's Kern County Board of Supervisors meeting, the Kern County Misuse and Overdose Task Force gave an update on their progress in the community since being awarded $10.5 million last year. In 2023, Assemblywoman Bain secured the funds for the task force to provide resources for law enforcement and healthcare providers fighting against the fentanyl crisis in the community. The task force announced the medical detox pilot program, which is a first in the state in a critical way.
I unfortunately was not able to be here to announce the $2 million to help Kern County's very first inpatient detox, specifically for Medi-Cal patients. This is something that we've worked on for a very long time with the fentanyl task force. It's unique to the state. It's the first time to have this not just for private insurance, but for Medi-Cal recipients.
Charlie Vandevoort, Executive Director at Be Finally Free, a community organization that works with those recovering from addiction, incarceration, and poverty, says this will make a great difference in the community.
We get calls all the time about somebody wanting to go into detox, but there doesn't ever seem to be enough beds, and so this is going to help immensely.
According to drug abuse statistics, opioids are classified as the deadliest drug type. In 2023, the Kern County Coroner's Office reported nearly 300 deaths related to fentanyl overdose.
Initial reports from safety agencies indicate the seizure of over 54 pounds of fentanyl and the arrest of 21 individuals as of December 2024. According to the Drug Enforcement Agency, just 2 milligrams of fentanyl can be a lethal dose to the average person. Through this program, the task force has seized 24.7 million milligrams, equivalent to over 12 million potential deadly doses.
Vandevoort did also note that another tool could be especially helpful to help keep the public informed.
There needs to be like a community forum, maybe even a fentanyl task force dashboard where the community can go in and see what's being produced and where the hotspots are in the community. How many ER visits have there been? What it's been laced with.
The task force second quarterly meeting is scheduled next month, where they plan to review the initial rollout of the detox pilot program. In studio, Micah Thomas, Eyewitness News.